TopProducts.com. Search TopProducts.com for the best product reviews online. Top Products presents our pick for the top 5 electric chainsaws. For this review, we chose 5 brands known for quality electric chainsaws, showcasing a variety of options that are available. At the number 5 spot is the Remington Lemon Trim Corded Chainsaw, chosen not only for its features but also because of its budget-friendly price tag. Remington specializes in serious lawn care, and its products make it easy. Even Remington's most powerful chainsaws are surprisingly compact without sacrificing cutting ability. The Lemon Trim Corded Chainsaw is a compact branch trimmer with everything you need to easily clean up the smaller branches around your yard. It's compact and lightweight for easy use, and a low kickback bar, push-button oiler, and simple chain tension adjuster make it both versatile and straightforward. Just remember, it's made for branches and hedges and isn't as powerful as larger chainsaws. Next on our list at number 4 is the WORX 16-inch corded chainsaw. WORX prides itself on making lightweight power tools for both pros and beginners without compromising on performance. This 16-inch corded chainsaw features a streamlined design for fast, efficient yard work. It even lubricates itself automatically for ease of use. The tension can be adjusted without tools, there's a built-in chain brake for safety, and the rubber rear handle helps keep the saw under control. Just make sure you don't cut through the power cord, which will be trailing behind you. The next product on our list was chosen because it is a great choice for people who are looking for an electric chainsaw with lots of bells and whistles. At number 3, we have the Makita 16 inches corded chainsaw. Makita has a long history of excellence in craftsmanship, innovation, and customer service. This 16-inch electric chainsaw is extremely well built and highly reliable, making it ideal for frequent use and thick branches. The heavy-duty design helps it tackle tough jobs, and the current limiter, auto oiler, soft start, and oil indicator features all mean it will cut for longer without damage and requires minimal maintenance. All this makes it more expensive than less powerful models, but it will last longer. When choosing the right electric chainsaw for your needs, Top Products knows that budget can be an important consideration, and our number 2 pick, the Greenworks 16-inch corded chainsaw, takes the spot for best value. Greenworks is known for high-quality products that streamline yard work with simple, powerful efficiency. This low-cost chainsaw delivers simple, reliable power where you need it, alongside convenient features like automatic oiling. It delivers consistent power, and the wraparound handle and metal bucking spikes help to add grip, meaning you won't lose control in the middle of cutting. The cord's only 11 inches long, so make sure your extension lead has the length you need. And finally, the Black & Decker 12-inch battery-powered chainsaw made it to our top choice position because it provides a good array of features with an affordable price. Black & Decker is a household name all over the world, and for good reason. They have an excellent name for making high-quality, reliable tools for all kinds of work. This chainsaw combines an easy-to-handle, compact design with smooth, powerful operation, great for the average homeowner. It's powerful for the compact size, and a lithium battery means it's the only chainsaw on test without a cable dragging around behind it. It can't compete with the big boys for power, but it's more than strong enough for any home use. These are our top 5 electric chainsaws. We hope you enjoyed watching our review. Until next time, take care. Click now to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Don't forget to like our Facebook page and visit us at TopProducts.com for more everyday product reviews.